Hello friends, today I will show you how to download and install Canva for Windows. Go to Google, type Canva desktop application, click Canva desktop app link, click download Canva for Windows button. Now Canva is download. Save the location and install the Canva application. Now you can open the Canva application. I hope you enjoyed the video and subscribe our channel. I will see you in next video.